Good morning, student. This is a new video on imperfections in solid. An ideal crystal is a perfect crystal in which each atom has identical surroundings. Real crystals are not perfect. A real crystal always has a large number of imperfections in the lattice. Since real crystals are of finite size, they have surface to their boundary. At the boundary, the atomic bonds terminate, and hence the surface itself is an imperfection. One can reduce the crystal defects considerably, but can never eliminate them entirely. Metals are not perfect neither at the micro level and not at the macro level. They contain a number of different types of crystalline defects at the atomic level. The defects are important in many processes, that is diffusion, deformation, etc. All solids, even of the most perfect crystal, contain defects. The defects are of great importance as they can affect the properties such as mechanical strength, electrical conductivity, chemical reactivity, and corrosion. There are several terms used to describe the defects which are most considered. The term defects or imperfections is generally used to describe any deviation from the perfect periodic array of the atom in the crystal. Imperfections in crystal. The imperfection in crystal is produced due to the misalignment of the atom, distortion of the lattice, etc. in the metal structure. Classify the crystal imperfections. The crystal imperfection is classified into following types: the point defects, vacancies, interstitial impurities, electron defects, line edge dislocation, screw dislocation, surface defect, grain boundaries, tilt boundaries, twin boundaries, etc. And the volume defects are cracks. What is the deformation by slip? The slip is the mechanism of deformation where its parts of crystals move, slides or slips over another parts along a certain plane known as the slip plane. Deformation by the slip is also a shear deformation. Let us find out the defects in crystal. So in first we discuss, this is the one of the tabular form. This is the point defects, line defects, surface defects, and volume defects. Crystal defects: imperfection, irregular geometrical arrangement of the atoms in a crystalline solid. These imperfections result from deformations of the solid, rapid cooling from the high temperature or high energy radiation, that is X-ray or neutrons, or striking the solids. Located at a single point along the line or on whole surface in the solid, these defects influence its mechanical, electrical, and optical behavior. So this type of the imperfection, the point defects are vacancy atom, interstitial atoms, and substitutional atoms. That is, the line defects is dislocation, area is grain boundaries. Then let us find out the point defects. See, this is called the vacancy or vacant atom or lattice site in the structure. This is the distortion plane. So this is the vacancy of this, and you can find out where is the distortion of this plane. The self interstitial, the extra atom position between the atom sites. This is the one of the atom which is self interstitial. So there is some distortion of the plane. You can find out, otherwise it will be in a straight line. This is the, you can find out the distortion. So this is sometimes we there is a missing of the atom, okay, means there is a vacancy of that atom, or sometimes there may be the self interstitial. So this is the one of the point defects. You can find the different type of the points defects, like in the first, this is the first, that is called as the vacancy. Then this is called the self interstitial. This is the self interstitial. Third, interstitial impurities, mean this is the self atom are interstitial. Sometimes some impurity atom are placed in a gap between these atoms, that is interstitial gap. And fourth is, it's called as the substitutional impurities. So this is the substitution of that, the atom of the original metal or crystal is replaced by the someone atom. And this is the small size, and this is the larger size. So the arrow represent the local stress introduced by the point defects. So let us find out the line defects. These locations are in a line defects cause slip between the crystal plane when they move and produce the permanent plastic deformation. This is, we can say this is the before deformation of the crystal, okay, and then after deformation we will get this type of the structure. This is, so area boundaries or area defects. The grain boundaries are boundaries between the crystals. It produced by the solidification process. It have a change in crystal orientation across them. It impede dislocation motion. So this is the grain boundaries. You can find out this is the grain boundaries, and this type of the effects is called defects is called as the area defects. And twinning of the boundary, this is also the one of the area defects. So we conclude here the topic of crystal imperfection. Thank you.